Welcome to AccuQuiltable Block Maker. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Sequence View panel where you can control layer visibility, locking, and adding new design elements using the eye, lock, and plus icons. Let's get started. Viewing die information. The Sequence View panel helps you manage your quilt design elements by organizing layers and blocks. Open the Sequence View by clicking the panel on the right side of the screen. Each block, shape, or fabric layer is listed here. Use the eye, lock, and plus icons to manage visibility, editing, and adding new elements. The eye icon controls layer visibility, allowing you to show or hide specific quilt elements. Click the eye icon next to a layer to hide it from view. Click it again to make it visible. Hidden layers remain in the design but won't appear on screen or in print previews. The lock icon prevents accidental changes to selected layers. Click the lock icon next to a layer to prevent edits. Locked layers cannot be moved, resized, or changed. Click the lock icon again to unlock the layer for editing. The plus sign is used to show or hide information about grouped elements or design segments. Ungrouped elements will be organized by shape and color segments. Click on the plus sign to view the AccuQuilt die number. For grouped segments, click the plus sign to see the segments, then click the plus sign by the segment to see the AccuQuilt die number. Hide any information by clicking the minus sign. That's it! Now you know how to use the eye, lock, and plus icons in the Sequence View panel for better quilt design control. For more quilting tips, visit AccuQuilt.com for tutorials and inspiration. Happy quilting!